Welcome to another thunderstorm video. Got some really dark clouds. A lot of action over here with the lightning. Saw some really good lightning earlier. There's a little lightning. I don't know if oh wow, that was a good one. Maybe record over here. Good thunder. Did say a severe thunderstorms for my area, so this is not going to turn out well. Way how dark the clouds are. Oh Lord, if it starts raining, that's not going to be fun. It's up again really windy. Like bad. Oh Lord. That's a big gust of wind. Oh, there's some lightning. It's kind of cold actually. Be kind of cool if I had like a 360 camera all the way around. Oh, there's a good lightning. Ooh, that was a good one. Actually, a lot of lightning out that way. This is insane. Holy crap. Whew. I didn't see any lightning strike with that. Oh God. That was like a subtle thunder. That was a weird thunder. Oh my God. Oh shoot. Oh. Dang. I seen that crap. That struck like right around there in the woods. Wow. Ooh, I feel a little rain. Oh God. Oh, holy crap. That one was behind me. Oh, shoot. This is like the most, oh, I feel rain. Oh, my heart's pumping now. I feel a little misty. It'll probably crank up with rain here in a bit. Holy crap. Oh yeah, now I'm feeling it a little bit. Ooh. Now it's starting to sting a tiny bit. Oh, there's good lightning. Yeah, now the rain's starting to pick up a bit. Holy crap. Yep, here comes the rain bad. Holy. I'm kind of standing in the trees a little better. There. Oh my. Oh. Whew. Hi, Mom.
Good stuff.
Yeah. Oh, Lord. Here comes the rain bad. Oh. Oh, holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Hurry up. Yeah. Oh. Oh. I'm getting soaked out here, even under these trees. Oh my gosh. Oh my. He went out that way. Holy crap, I'm getting drenched in rain. Oh, there's something. Oh my. Oh, dude, this has to be like right above me, like cloud, thunder, or lightning. Holy crap. That'll be some good thunder. I'm a little cold. I don't care. Holy crap, I just seen that lightning. Hopefully I got that. I think I did. Oh, it's starting to pick up and rain again. Dang it. Oh my. Oh, not again. I don't think going under these trees helps. This is insane. My phone's getting wet. Oh God. What the heck was that? Oh. Man, these strikes are cracking. Dude, my whole body is soaked. Oh. You know, I'm going under. I'm put my phone right here. Yeah, I'm tired of getting soaked in rain. Let me just angle it up a little better. Oh. Oh. Oh, Lord. I'm dripping water. I'm cold. Holy crap. Oh, that was a good lightning strike. I hope I got that. I think I did. My mommy scared me. Yeah, you might want to sit. Oh, I got another strike, I hope. Holy. Oh, crap. Oh, holy crap. Did I just strike that? Here, no, I'm taking this back out. Yeah, I'll get a better view over here. It'll be rainy though. I'm trying to be underneath here. Under the trees again. Oh, what was that? Some more lightning. Is there room in the back here? If I could sit. Yeah, that's gonna get her stuff wet. Oh, dude. Feels like the rain died down a little bit. Oh, holy crap. Cloud to cloud lightning. Right above that building. Oh! I'm gonna clean my phone off a little bit. Oh. Oh, God. I'm gonna try and put my hand over my phone, seeing if that works. Oh, stop with the rain. I hope my phone doesn't get waterlogged tonight. I don't see hail. It said it was supposed to be 1-inch hail. I don't see it yet. I think we're gonna get 1 foot of water. I don't know. Oh, great. Uh, Dude, this rain's bad. I probably should not have my phone out. Oh, there's another lightning strike. Oh. Oh, of course the rain splashing on this van here is getting into me. Oh. Oh, dude. I'm so cold right now. You know, next time this happens, oh, I'm probably gonna get a phone, like a waterproof phone case. Alright, the rain's died down a little bit again. Oh. You know, actually, I should I'm gonna go across the street and go in that car. Hopefully it's unlocked. I'm gonna sit in the car. Cause I think all the lightning kind of went over to the back of me. Oh yeah, it definitely did. I'm going. There's just another one. Please be unlocked. Shoot, it's not. I'm gonna go put my phone down for a bit and then come back. Oh. I'm back. I'm just getting soaked out here. Yeah, there's like tons of lightning strikes. Car unlocked? Is this unlocked? I mean, I could just stand next to it. Okay, fair. It's unlocked. Ugh. Oh, that's pretty cool. There, now I'm not getting soaked and stuff. Oh, that big tree wasn't in the way. I'd get a good view of everything. Yeah, I was just getting absolutely soaked out there. Seems like the rain died down. There's another one. Died down a little bit. Like, my shirt is absolutely soaked. Holy crap, dude. This is insane. Seems like it's actually going, like, east more. Like all these lightning strikes. Like they were right behind me now. Which is west. You're looking east right now. Holy crap, dude. There's a really good one in Pocono when we were at the race for NASCAR. It's when it got delayed. Holy crap, I'm like cold as crap. Aaron's picking up a little bit. Holy shoot! And not that much of a thunder. There it goes. And now it, like the lightning cell's kind of like moving fast. Like I was seeing like there's more of a reflection of lightning on the house behind me. I was like, oh, maybe I should go over that car and record it. Yeah, man. Oh, lightning there. Strike. Ooh, that was a good lightning. Man, if that tree was not in the way, I would probably be seeing a lot. Maybe if I go, like, down the street and look. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. I know I'm gonna get rained on again, but I don't care. Yeah, I'm gonna go down the street because there's a lot of lightning. And this tree's blocking the view. Yeah, it's actually would actually be more wet down under the trees because all the water's dripping off of them. Yeah, I'm gonna go down the hill a little bit. Where this open parking lot is. Oh, that was probably a good one. Yeah, it's not too rainy right now. Oh, dude, nice throat. Dude, my shirt is like plastered right onto my body. And now we'll get to see a lot more. Oh, a lot of puddling here, if that's a word. Yeah, look at all this open area now we get to look at. It's like more like right where that pole's at. Maybe move over a little bit. Great, now I'm back to being cold again. Move off the road a little bit. So I feel a lot quieter now. Or not. I think it's definitely moving out of the area. Going yonder. Of course, when I step outside, the rain picks up. Ooh, that was kind of cool. That little lightning strike. Actually, wait, hold up. Maybe if I move over a little right, you can see that little area. Oh, definitely really cold. It's definitely like warm, like probably in the 60s, but all this rain and the wind, it's making it chilly. Ooh, how's it going? Something's chirping. Alright, I think I'm gonna end this one here. See you, everyone.